Hi friends, I am Mathiazhagan from Department of Computer Applications, Assistant Professor, DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Today we have a topic for software engineering, V model. So V model, the software development lifecycle has the various model which follows the different approaches to the cumulative, a prototype to a successful product. In the previous chapter, you have learned about the waterfall model. The V model is an extension of the waterfall model. So usually this model is pronounced as the V model. This model is quite different from the waterfall model because of in every phases of it there is related to the testing stages associated. In this chapter you will learn about the V model and its approach to the software development. So its type of used for the V model. So this type of SDLC, it is the helpful of the various model. So this type of V model and the waterfall model, it is the extension of the waterfall model in the process. So the V model of the SDLC carried out of this execution is the sequential manner. The structure it's followed takes the shape of the letter V. This model is also popularly termed as the verification and the validation model. So here each phases has to be finished before beginning the next phases. Yeah, sequentially designs progressions is followed like that of the waterfall model. So this type of we have a used for the model. So V model, the designs of the SDLC V model, the parallel to the software development phases, a corresponding series of the test phases also run in this model. So each stages comprise the specific type of the testing done, and once the testing is passed, only then the next phases started. This type of we have used SDLV model. So next one is the designs of the SDLV model. So first one is we have a designs of V model. First one is the requirement analysis. Second one is the system designs. Third one is the architectural designs. Fourth one is the model designs and coding. So this is the left side of the designs of the V model. So right side of the V model we have a connect for the acceptance testings, system testings, integration testings, unit testings. So all V model we have a right and left side we have a connecting for the coding. So it is the requirement analysis and then is the acceptance analysis. We have used for the preparing for the acceptance test cases. And then system designing, system testing, it is the called as the system test cases. And architectural designing and integration testing, it is the integration test cases. So next one is the model designing and unit testing, it is the used for the unit test cases. So this is the V model of designs. So next one is the verifications. So in the concept of the verification as the V model, static analytical technique use, it's carried out without the executing the code. This evaluation procedure is carried out of the time of the development to check whether specific requirement will meet or not. Second was the validation. This concept of the V model comprises of the dynamic analysis practice, both functional as well as the non-functional. And testing is done by the code executions. The validation of the product is done once the development is completed for the determining if the software meet of the customer hope need. So both verification and validations are the combined and the work with to make the V model fully functional. So next one is the requirement analysis. In the stages of the SDLs, a detailed conversation with the customer is the mode of understanding the requirement as well as the anticipations. So requirement gathering is the another name of the phases, these phases. Second, the system designs or high level designs. In these phases of the SDL, the system is designed within the entire hardware of this startup construct for the product development. So third was the architectural designs. The breakdown of the system design is to a more detailed versions. For example, into the model which created a different functionality. So transferring of the data and the connection between the internal and external model. For example, outside the world, it's the evaluated in the identify. So fourth one is the low level designs or model designs. This particular phases breakdown of the entire product development into a tiny model. So where each identify model is the specify the model. So LLD. So low level designs. So testing phases. So unit testing, integration testing, system testing, user acceptance testings. So duration of the development of the model designs, we have used for the unit testing carried out. So system testing, this is the ultimate testing of the entire product of the completing the conjunction with the functionality, internal dependency and requirement and merging of the different model into the single unit. So fourth one is the user acceptance testing. This type of testing is the carried out of the front of the user or the user environment where the product will ultimately set up used. Thank you.